Mr. Aminu Ogwuche was arrested in Sudan and brought to the country on the 15th of July 2014 on charges of being the mastermind of the train bombing in Nyanya, Abuja. On his return, the Department of State Services got a court order to remand him in their custody for further investigation. It has been more than the 90 days requested by the Department of State Services, and it has been unable to arraign the suspect. According to the prosecution, the DSS is still drafting charges against the suspect and will arraign him at the appropriate time. This decision was opposed by the accused, who had filed a case alleging the violation of his fundamental rights. The case has been fixed for December 5th for hearing.
We are not saying if there's anything against him, he should be freed. We are saying charge him to court or release him. That is all we are saying. Because he's been there since July 15, 2014. Which is in excess of 4 months, and the Constitution, by virtue of Section 35, frowns at that.
The court also struck out the case filed by the Nigerian police force against Mr. Ogwuche for want of diligent prosecution. This is the third time the court had called the case without an appearance or explanation by the police.
I wish he is discharged. But the reality is that today he was brought to court, not on account of that charge, but on account of the fundamental human rights proceedings. So that charge is a separate issue entirely. And I think the security agencies have harmonized, and maybe the police now conceding to the SSS to do the prosecution. So that is the way I will explain it. It's not that he's out. It's not out. I do not know why the police have not followed it up.
The court also made an order that the accused be allowed to be visited by 3 of his lawyers, his wife, and any other family member, privileges he had not enjoyed since he was remanded in the custody of the Department of State Services. Amaka Okafu, Channels Television News.